gotta do something about this mess. We have a lot of work to do in 24 hours. I just found out I'm gonna be going to the YouTube holiday event. Last year, my fiance went. He had to Uber Eats a luggage bag to the event because that's how much stuff they gave me. We're talking about Fenty. He brought me back with perfumes, makeup. I have to be ready to travel tomorrow. I'm so excited. That's why it's good to always be ready every single day. How do you girls do it? Let's get to work. Like my hair is super dry. It definitely needs some sort of deep treatment. I'm gonna give it a good cleanse because it's sticky and I can feel buildup all over my scalp and it's so itchy. I found the Fenty Hair Comeback Kit. It's a damage repair treatment. Don't think I've ever used this. This is gonna revive my hair really good. Denman sent me these brushes just in time. I got the Tangle teaser, scalp brush. This is the brush that made the Denman famous because when curly girls discovered this brush, that was it. That was the brush to have. And for the shampoo, I'm going for something that's gonna cleanse without stripping. So this is the winner for today. Because my curls are super dry and brittle, I'm going to start by coating the ends with the deep treatment before I cleanse to make sure I minimize stripping the bottom of my hair, which is the driest and most damaged. When it comes to cleansing or shampooing dry curly hair, you want to focus on the scalp and the scalp only. That's where the buildup is, that's where it needs most clarifying. So scrub as much as possible, spend some time getting all of that gunk off, add water when you need it, and then just let it flow through the rest of your curls. Now it's time to really apply the treatment and detangle my hair to make sure it's getting every single hair strand. If you're struggling with dry hair, make sure you're doing treatments at least once a week. I don't like this. This one right here is very flexible and it's not gonna tug on my hair. Super gently. If you notice, if it doesn't go, I don't make it go. I just work it through from the bottom my way up. So then a couple inches more. And a couple inches more. If you hold it up here, especially if you're doing it for a child, it's not gonna tug on their head, so it's gonna feel less painful. So hold it up like this, and then you can brush the bottom, pinch it stops tugging on their scalp, and then you can go all the way to the top. If it keeps getting stuck, you need a little bit more water. One section at a time. Don't break the hair. Not too bad for a week. Leave it on for a good 20 minutes. In the meantime, I'm putting my avocado face mask on. This is so hydrating. I love it. Now that it's time to rinse the treatment off, the most important part is making sure you're getting it off of your scalp 100%. Leaving any of it on will cause buildup. Anybody else who gets overstimulated in the shower? Your mother? Since that treatment is not a conditioning treatment, I'm going in with my conditioner to make sure my hair is super hydrated. Then I'm gonna rinse the conditioner off with super cold water to help it not get frizzy. This is gonna help close the cuticles and seal in the moisture. It's definitely cold. Shut off the water. Today's styling products are the usual combination, my favorite for 8 years straight. This right here smells like $1,000,000 made out of pomegranates. I dried my hair with a t-shirt. If you have coarser type hair like mine, then styling it soaking wet is going to do you wonders. If your hair is on the thinner side, then you should take out the water because it's gonna weigh it down and then apply your product. For me, I need my hair to be soaking wet. Also apply the product with a little bit of water. Then apply onto my hair in sections. The smaller the section, more defined curls you get. The bigger the section, the more volume you're gonna get. So start with leave-in conditioner with the Denman brush. The spray bottle or next to the sink, just layer in the products one time. So we'll make sure I get it super defined because you can't just pray about it. I give it a smooth with this Denman brush. You see how clumpy it looks here? You want it to look like this. You want it to sound like this. Focus on the driest part, which is the end, and then work my way up. That way I don't give myself buildup. Frizz means volume. With that being said, if it looks frizzy wet, it's gonna look frizzy dry. So make sure it's looking super juicy, sounding super juicy while it's wet. Repeat every section. I'm gonna show you how you don't really have to pick a section when you're styling. There's a way where you don't have to commit to a certain section for the entire week, and your curls are gonna look good no matter how you want them. You want them in the front with your bangs, or you want them side curtains or to the back. What you're gonna wanna do is split this kind of like a V, like this, okay? Hit this section, funnel the center of your head. Doesn't have to be perfect, and tuck it away. So this section is gonna be the last section we style. So you rake it and shake it. The shaking is what activates the curl. So you're asking, how do I know how much products to put? Your hair needs to be sounding like this. If it sounds like this, it has to be saturated with water and products. Make sure you're sealing as much moisture as possible for the longest amount of time. This curly hair kind of tends to dry super quickly. What we want to do is create a cast around each circle to kind of hold in the moisture for longer. If it looks like it's starting to dry immediately and it looks different than the rest of the hair, it probably means it needs more product. Just pinch some product, my fingers, and I go in and I smooth them out, give them that little push. Or you can even twirl. You don't want to commit to a part yet. So this is how you style your hair. Make sure you can choose later how you want to part your hair, or if you want to change it up throughout the week without it looking crazy. Remember, you do the V. You're going to run your thumb through here and give yourself a little line of hair. Split it in two. And then save this for later. So this is section 1. Leave-in conditioner. Then you want to smooth it with a Denman brush. And then repeat the process all the way to the back. Give it a little boost. Wet plop it. You can do this with your regular satin bonnet. You're probably gonna have to wash it afterwards, or with a plastic shower cap going from the bottom up. Make sure this part is not on your roots because you do not want to flatten them up. Leave this. Just get ready. Dry off all the excess with a t-shirt. This is a workout. I'm gonna go take a nap. Oh look, I found a Van Cleef vintage perfume bottle for $3. Focus. For the wardrobe, I'm trying to decide, should I go wearing this beautiful H&M dress, have a Zara cardigan, or wear these tabbies? Beautiful dress, matches with the tabbies. This is a beautiful thrifted jacket. It's my travel. I only have the shirt so far. I want to be comfortable. This is what I plan to record my get ready with me for tomorrow. My fiance hired a professional thrifter in New York, and we found the cutest pieces, like this one right here. 100% silk, and it feels amazing, and it looks so... And of course, I'm bringing my beads. Red beads that match with my tabby. Amazon always comes in clutch. Tabby socks.
The next morning.
Let's unbox these curls. Wait, don't panic. They just need to breathe a little. Give it about 5 minutes and then come back to it. In the meantime, I gotta put my stain on. I love this thing in color pink. Love that it makes my mouth stand out all day long without needing to put on lipstick. Because without it, I feel like my mouth just blends in with my face. Definitely packing this up with me. I want my face to be hydrated and plump. Wearing a bonnet on the plane, of course. Where's my bonnet, girlies? Don't be ashamed to wear your bonnet in the airplane, because be ashamed not wearing your bonnet on the airplane, because what are you doing to your hair, girl? Are you trying to fry it up? Come on, take your bonnet out. It's okay if your curl pattern changes as your hair grows. It's the weight of it. The curl itself, sometimes it gets too heavy. Just go with it. That's the cool thing about having curly hair. This is day 1. Day 1 is usually the least voluminous. If I have something important that I want my hair to look really good, plan it to be on my day 2. For me, it's my favorite because they're more defined than day 1 sometimes. You got that big volume with it without too much frizz. Gently plop it in here. I'll fluff it up. Now it's time to try on what outfit I'm gonna wear. I don't want to mess up my hair, so I'm going to put a bonnet back on so my clothes can just slip over without rubbing on my hair and causing frizz. I really want to wear this outfit. I think it's so cute. Here we go. we're out of here.
The next day.
Today's the day. Got myself 2 coffees because your girl needs it, okay? This is my liquid courage. It's brewing under here. Before panicking, let it breathe. Let it breathe for a little bit. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna do my makeup. I love this base because it really moisturizes and then it gives me a really nice scent. You know, when you're saying hello. You know that curly hair is the hardest hair to get lice. The hardest, but doesn't mean you can't. The one time I got lice when I was a little girl. Had hair down to my waist. Curly, super kinky. You know, my parents didn't know how to take care of it. I got freaking lice. When I tell you I spent months trying to get it out of my hair. Stinky products they put on your hair to make it go away. Or my mom sitting there just like, ugh. Until they had to take me to a kid's hairstylist and chop my hair off. I'm telling you, like this short. I was in 4th grade. I think I was 10. Short, like a fade. And they were washing off that was lice. And I don't know because I was little or what, but I was looking at the sink. And they look like spiders. They look like huge ass lice. Just because it's hard to get doesn't mean you can't get it. So watch out for lice. Now my makeup is done. Let's get to working on this hair. It's looking better. Clearly didn't travel great. I got my little emergency kit here. I'm gonna coat my fingers with a little bit of leave-in conditioner or gel, whatever's on hand. Add some water. And then I'm gonna go in and grab those pieces that I'm not loving, rework the product in, and the water is going to activate whatever you already have on there. So add it to all these little frizzies. See, immediately moisturized it. And constant haircuts really does help with this. I haven't had a haircut in a while. I moved and my stylist is so far away and I miss him so much. And I just need Daniel. It's really not about the hair texture or how the hair looks. As long as it looks like you tried. Put in some effort, you know what I mean? Even if you have super frizzy hair, but you look like you added a little cute style to it in the morning, then people are gonna be accepting to it. Like, oh, they did that on purpose. It looks pretty great, actually. There we go. Should I have my hair up? Maybe I'll layer it up. Because my hair down sometimes overstimulates me, especially when I'm trying to be social. That's already hard enough for me. I need to feel the air on my neck. We finally made it. Can't wait to see. I'm so excited.
Okay, girl. Well, have you tried Fenty Beauty before?
Yes. I love Fenty hair.
Have you tried our curling product?
Yes.
Do you know Bianca Renee?
Yes.
Okay, that's one of my homegirls.
Oh, is she?
Yeah, I love her so much. Yeah.
You can't even see it,
Right?
So that's a good thing.
Here, my flashlight up.
I see a curly girl sitting in the chair, and I'm really curious to see how does the shark transform the hair. Is it easy or not? Let's see how it makes it look.
Control the size and placement, so you can make it really work for your content, where based on where.
This is freaking cake, by the way. Isn't it crazy? So now they have us at stations where we can record whatever we want. So we have a makeup station and a station for clothes. Whatever you're into. They're all stocked up with all the makeup you can think of. You can try on some things, or you can just show your outfit. Yeah, this is the kind of bag everybody is going home with. And I'm aligned to get mine. It's so crazy. Waiting. Let's see what we got. Wait.
This is for you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, enjoy all the stuff.
Yeah, I will. So cool. This is insane. It feels like Christmas. I'm about to show you how big this is. The day is over. I'm waiting for my Uber. So I'm going home. I am tired. Can't wait to do a haul to show you everything that they gave me here at the YouTube shopping event.